Typeform is a versatile tool for creating engaging surveys, forms, and quizzes. Here's a concise guide on how to use Typeform. Sign up and log in. Go to Typeform and sign up for a free account or log in if you already have one. Create a new Typeform. Click on Create Typeform from your dashboard. Choose from various templates or start from scratch. Templates are categorized by use case, such as surveys, feedback forms, or quizzes. Design your Typeform. Use a drag-and-drop builder to add and arrange question types like multiple choice, short answer, or rating scales. Customize the design with themes, images, and videos to make your form visually appealing. Set up logic jumps. To tailor the experience based on responses, use logic jumps to direct users to different questions or end screens based on their answers. Configure settings. Set form options such as notifications, thank you messages, and response collection. Configure settings for privacy, access, and data handling. Share your Typeform. Click Share to get a direct link, embed code, or use Typeform's integration options to share on social media, email, or your website. Collect and analyze responses. Monitor responses in real time through your Typeform dashboard. Use built-in analytics to review and analyze the data collected.